The statute of frauds is a legal doctrine requiring certain types of contracts to be in writing to be enforceable in court. Article 2 has its own statute of frauds, which we'll explore in this lesson. Imagine a builder needed to purchase various drywall materials for an upcoming project. The builder and a supplier orally agreed that the supplier would deliver all the materials the builder needed to complete the project in exchange for $100,000. The supplier failed to deliver the materials. Was this contract enforceable against the supplier? Article 2 requires contracts for the sale of goods for which the price is $500 or more to be in writing. Unless the contract is in a writing satisfying the following requirements, it's unenforceable. The writing must evidence a contract for the sale of goods, be signed by the party against whom enforcement is sought, and state a quantity. Here, the contract between the buyer and supplier was for the sale of goods, and the price was significantly more than $500. Thus, Article 2's statute of frauds applied. However, because the parties' oral agreement wasn't memorialized in any writing, the contract was unenforceable. Now imagine that the builder and supplier exchanged several emails discussing various aspects of the transaction. Taken together, the emails stated the quantity, price, and contained enough information to reasonably conclude that the parties intended to form a contract. Did these emails satisfy the statute of frauds? Yes. A writing, for statute of frauds purposes, is any information intentionally reduced to some tangible form, including an email. In addition, a writing may consist of several distinct writings that don't satisfy the statute of frauds on their own, but when taken together, do satisfy the statute's requirements. Finally, a signature can be any authentication identifying the party against whom enforcement is sought. Assuming that the supplier's name was in at least one of the email headings or otherwise typewritten, the signature requirement was satisfied.